Franklin Pierce by Brooklyn Wilton. My president's name was Franklin Pierce. I found information on the internet, books, and papers for my folder. My president's term in office was 1853 to 1857. He was born on November 19, 1804. His nickname was Young Hickory of Granite Falls. Pierce was born in Hillsborough, New Hampshire. In his childhood, he went to local schools in New Hampshire. His wife's name was Jane Means Appleton. His children's names were Franklin Jr., Frank, and Benjamin Pierce. He was a guy who liked fighting. He liked saving the country. He joined the military. Then he was in the Kansas-Nebraska War and the Mexican War. During his presidency, he couldn't go to his inauguration because he got in a train wreck. His only remaining son died right in front of their eyes. Then Pierce accidentally ran an elderly woman with his horse. Once the police found out who he was president, he was released. He retired after he was president. He went back home to New Hampshire. He went to Europe and the Bahamas. He died on October 18, 1869. He was buried in Concord, New Hampshire.